If I, a bird, I would fly across the ocean. Were, be, was. The correct answer is were. She would buy that dress if she enough money. Have, had, has, will have. The correct answer is had. If he, taller, he would join the basketball team. Is, was, were, be. The correct answer is were. We would go to the beach if it warmer today. Is, were, will be, are. The correct answer is were. If I, you, I wouldn't do that. Was, be, were, The correct answer is were. They would be happier if they a bigger house. Have, had, has, will have. The correct answer is had. If I knew the answer, I, you, will tell, tell, would tell, telling. The correct answer is would tell. He would help us if he, here, is, was, were, be. The correct answer is were. If we more time, we would finish the project. Have, had, has, will have. The correct answer is had. I would travel around the world if I rich, was, were, be. The correct answer is were. If she, the truth, she would feel better. Knows, know, knew, knowing. The correct answer is knew. They would visit us if they a car. Have, had, has, will have. The correct answer is had. If you more careful, you wouldn't make so many mistakes. Were, are, will be be. The correct answer is were. I would buy that phone if it cheaper. Is, were, be, was. The correct answer is were. If we in Paris, we would visit the Eiffel Tower. Are, were, be, will be. The correct answer is were. He would understand if you more clearly speak, spoke, speaks, will speak. The correct answer is spoke. If I better at math, I would study engineering. Be, were, will be. The correct answer is were. We would go hiking if it raining. Isn't, weren't, wasn't, won't be. The correct answer is weren't. If you Earlier, we would catch the bus. Come, came, comes, had come. The correct answer is came. She would lend you the book if she. It. Have. Had. Has. Will have. The correct answer is had. If I. A chance, I would study abroad. Have. Had. Has. Will have. The correct answer is had. They would succeed if they. Harder. Try. Tried. Tries. Trying. The correct answer is tried. If we. The map, we wouldn't get lost. Read. Reads. Read. Had read. The correct answer is read. I would call her if I. Her number. Knew. Know. Knows. Had known. The correct answer is knew. If he. English better, he would get the job. Speaks. Spoke. Speak. Speaking. The correct answer is spoke.